Welcome to HR Resonance channel. Ram Navratna here. Today, the whole world is facing the pandemic situation day in and day out. We are seeing, experiencing, and viewing the impact and situation of this pandemic. Under this background, the World Health Organization as well as Government of India, followed by state governments also, issued various guidelines by way of notifications that one should follow the social distance, on and off hand wash, and also the mask wearing. So under this situation, the Global Hand Wash Day, one must be aware, and it is important. So nobody may be knowing so far this word Global Hand Wash Day was observed. This Global Hand Wash Day, it serves as a yearly reminder that hand washing with soap water is one of the best steps one can take to avoid getting sick and spreading germs to others. This is what important. The observance was established by the Global Hand Washing Partnership in 2008. And this Global Hand Washing Day is an international hand washing promotion campaign, and it motivates and mobilizes the people around the world to improve their hand washing habits. So inculcating the hand washing habits has become more important now. Washing hands at critical points during the day and washing with soap are both are very important. Global Hand Washing Day occurs on 15th of each year. That's how yesterday we observed. The aims of this observance is foster and support a general culture of hand washing with soap in all societies, shine a spotlight on the state of hand washing in each country, raise awareness about the benefits of hand washing with soap. And there are different types of and levels of hand hygiene are there. Social hand hygiene, wherein routine hand washing, the aim of social hand washing with the soap and warm water is to remove dirt and organic material, dead skin, and most transient organisms. Antiseptic hand washing is hand hygiene, and third one is surgical hand hygiene. Now, how many times in a day to wash hands? You might have seen already a lot of videos, and some may be practicing also. According to new research from the University College London, you should be looking at washing your hands around 6 to 10 times a day, which is the findings suggesting that washing on such a regular basis that will help lower your chances of contracting coronavirus. That's how it should become the habit and day-to-day work. What is the percentage of hand wash kills germs? This is important to know. In studies, washing hands with soap and water for about 50 seconds reduces bacterial counts by about 90%. So this is what very relevant information one should know and they should practice. When another 15 seconds is added, bacterial counts drop by close to 99.9%. That is what very important. This is the importance of hand washing. So therefore one should not hesitate to inculcate the habit. Global Hand Washing Day is observed on 15th October 2020, and theme is hand hygiene for all, and it is observed nationally under the theme I wash my hands properly to save the life. Remember, always Wash thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 to 30 seconds thoroughly. Friends, earlier it used to practice in food industries, pharma industries and some other industries, but today an awareness is made because of the COVID situation in all the industries. This has become practice, and also the government guidelines and WHO guidelines is also laid down. So therefore everybody should practice, and they should not forget about this seeing the situation. And friends, this hand washing is not a new thing as far as India is concerned. Our ancestors and even in rural areas, when we were small boys, we were all aware. Whenever we used to come to our home after going out, or whenever we used to return after outside, always we used to wash our hands and legs, then only you used to go. Without wash, there was no any entry. But of late, in a modernization or for various other reasons, it was forgotten. And now by way of corona situation and also the government and other social compulsions, now it has become habit and one should follow it. So therefore, don't forget to wash your hand on and often, be hygienic, become hygienic, follow hygienic and make others also hygienic, and spread the message of hygiene for each and everything. With this, I wish you all the best, and let us follow this one and let us be all healthy. Friends, if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe to our HR Resonance channel, like and share also. Thank you for watching. All the best. Good day.